Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper, the model builder. We're going on with the Lancaster Bomber and we've got 55 to 58. As it's the engine and we've done that already, I'm gonna not be talking and putting some nice music under it and just go on with what I'm doing. Let's get into it. Okay, I've got 58 now. We are supposed to put these on, but I'm not going to do that. Why? Because if you put them on now and then put them onto the place where we put them on, you might find that they are not aligned properly. So I'd rather put it on when I've got the stuff where I need to put it on, so I can line it straight away and I know everything is in fine. You saw that in the previous engine build as well, and I advise you to have a look at that, and I'll put the number of that build right underneath right now. So I'm only gonna build the stuff that I can do without having to do that. So that's putting these together, and these are the parts you've seen as well. So we're going silent again. And that's it for this stage. I'm going to put everything into that, and we're going to keep that safe until we get to the next part. So let's get the last part out, because that comes together. let's see what we do in the last one. And I really advise you to only put that engine on with those green engine mounts when you really are going to put it onto the airplane, because that just makes it so much easier to put it together. Will you that happen? Well, that's so small we'll never find that back. Well, that is a bit of a pity. I lost one of the pins. It flew all the way through the air somewhere, but I did not hear it land, so I don't know where it is. I will have to ask Hachette to send me a new pack 58 just for that pin. It's a pity, but that's the case. That pin is the one that I'm missing. Well, as you saw there, that did not go all the way to plan. In 58, I missed a pin flew all the way somewhere. I've been looking a little bit, but I can't find it. But I do hope you will join me next time when I do some more and maybe fix this little thing. I've just ordered it, and I hope I will have it within for the next build that I'm doing on this beautiful Lancaster. Hope to see you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.